Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be learning how to make the area for the square. So you know how to make the area for the square, right? It's easy, right? So you know the formula already, and if you know the formula, just put it in the comments. Okay? So the formula is is a power 2, right? So you know that. You know, line 1 and 2, this is easy. We can skip this part. This part we'll talk about later, the function, okay? But you know the window part. You know this part. This is easy. I The label, just enter the text is enter the length of the square, pack that label. No pad Y, no nothing. That's only for the entry. Entry for side 1. Okay, we keep the pad Y 5. So it's going to enter the length of the square. Then put a button submit, command equals the answer. Then window button pack, window dot main. So if we define the answer, def answer, right? Side 1 equals to, and this is our variable, side 1. Side 1 equals to entry 1 dot get. Then area equals to int. So we have to make this an integer because right now it's a string. Now we have to make an integer. So side 1 times side 1. That's side 1. That's basically side 1 by the power of side 1, right? That means side 1 by the power of 2, like a by the power of 2. Okay, now let's enter the length of the square. Let's see if I say 10. Tell me in the comments what's the area for the square, okay? The formula for that, if you want to know, it's a power 2. So a square basically. Oh, sorry. A square basically. Okay, I'm gonna be done. If you did it great, if you got it correct, great job for you. Yeah, if you were 100, then you're correct. Okay, let's say 100. If you got 10,000, you're correct. Let's see, I say that 1,000 is too big. 5. Okay, I'm gonna now hit it. Submit the button. If you said 25, you're correct. Okay? Just follow that formula and it's easy, right? Okay, so thank everyone for listening about how to make the area for a square, okay, in GUI. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.